Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you a very easy way how to record your screen in Windows 11. Now guys, if you simply don't want to install any third-party tools, right, this tutorial is perfect for you because I'm gonna show you how to do this within Windows. Now if you're new to the channel, I'm Andrew and welcome to Joe Tutorial. And if you'll find value within this video, I'll appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below and feel free to subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into the tutorial so that I can show you step by step how to do this. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm on my desktop here, right? And all you need to do in Windows 11, right? Just simply click the start button and start typing snip. You will see the snipping tool appears there, right? This is within Windows 11. Now you want to open up this tool and here is a few icons that you will see. You will see the new, which basically allows you to start your record, right? Then beside that you have record for the camera, and this one option here, the first option, allows you to take a screenshot. Now the next option allows you to record your screen with the video, right? So if you would like to record a video, this is the option that you need to select. Now once I click new, this is going to allow me to cover the section of the screen that I would like to record. So if you want to record your entire screen, then you just need to make sure that you cover the entire screen, right? And once you do that, then you just simply need to click record. Now I'm going to click record and do a few things, right? 3, 2, 1, it's counting down there. And I'm going to just simply open up a few things just for the purpose of this video. So I'm going to click Spotify and I'm going to close that. And I'm going to open up File Explorer and I'm going to close that, right? That's it. Now let's say I would like to do something else. I can simply pause this, and this is also very useful when you're doing like tutorials and you like to try something but you're not entirely sure before you do the next step. You can pause it and then you can simply continue. So what I'm going to do, let's say I want to visit a website, for example YouTube or something like that, right? I will just go ahead and open up a new window, and then I would like to basically go to youtube.com. So let me just type in YouTube, right? And wait for the YouTube to load up there. So let's say I would like to continue now. All I have to do is just simply click play again and it will continue to record my screen. So let's say I'm recording and I would like to show you what's on my desktop. And that's all you need to do, guys. Now once you're finished, just simply stop it and there you have the video, right? So once you're done with that, all you have to do now is just simply go ahead and save the video, or you can also copy the video, or you can also share the video. These are the options that you have. But I'm going to go ahead and save this video, right? So let's go ahead and save. I want to mention to you that while this is a very useful way how to record your screen, it has a few limitations, right? Because you can only save file in MP4 format and it doesn't give you audio. So if you're looking for something to record your audio, this is not the right tool for you. This only allows you to screen record. So if you simply would like to screen capture it by doing a few tasks and having the audio is not something that you require from this application, it's perfect for you. Otherwise, you'll have to use a different tool, right? So that you can capture audio. But that's it, guys. That's how easy it is. So I'm going to just save this file here, right? And I'm going to simply go ahead and close this, right? And I will go to my downloads so that you can find it. And here you will see the video that I've recorded. So let's have a look at it. Simple, very easy to record. And as you remember that I pause it at one point, right? So that you can see the YouTube. And that's what it's going to do. It's going to jump directly to YouTube now right after this so that you can see. And that's it, guys. Very useful and very easy. I really hope that you find this very useful. And there you have it, guys. A very easy and useful way how to record your screen within Windows 11 without any third-party tool. How easy and how convenient is that? Before we didn't have this within Windows. So this is a very useful way how to do this. Now I really hope that you found some value in this video. And if you do, feel free to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below. And as I said, if you're new to the channel, a special welcome to you. Welcome to Joe Tutorial. And I would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel to see much more videos coming out every week just like this one. See you next time.